Hey everybody, Carl from Apt. We're at the LG booth at CES 2019. We've got Greg here, and LG has done something I think everyone's going to appreciate, or everyone's going to have the opportunity to appreciate. We now have the capability of using pretty much all of the smart technologies on your TVs. What are we looking at?
We're looking at quite a bit. Last year, LG brought ThinQ to market, which allowed you to control functions in the TV, search content very quickly,
Right.
jump right into say I want to play Moana on Netflix and jump right into it and watch it. And then we also, to extend that out, incorporated Google Assistant into the television itself. So that way, if I want to get directions, see what traffic's like at the airport, find out about weather, or control Google Home devices, I could do it all just via the microphone and the TV. Well, we know that Google doesn't own all the markets, so we've tried to make it, LG more open to work with more and more companies that people have, relationships with already. So this year we've added Amazon Alexa to the TV, and the way you would activate it is you would press the Prime Video button on the remote, and then you would do your voice query that way.
Okay.
So in reality, you could have Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. So if you have a blended house, husband likes Google, wife likes Alexa, they get married, they've got the TV that will tie that all together. And to take it even one step further, we are going to be supporting Apple AirPlay this year with the HomeKit. So it doesn't matter, what products, that you may be using or familiar with. LG is trying to make it simple that if you want LG ThinQ controlling your TV and appliances, Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, or if you're an Apple fan, we can work with everybody.
That's great. And now, what TVs is this going to be implemented on? What can we see this on coming up?
Yeah, it's really exciting this year. Everything that we have that is 4K Ultra HD is going to have our WebOS and the Magic Remote, which is critical for doing this. Which means that if you're buying one of our 4K WebOS, smart TVs, you're going to have that capability baked right in.
Excellent. So not only are you getting a terrific picture and great usability, you're just getting something that could potentially save your marriage. We're here at CES 2019 in the LG booth with Greg. Thanks so much for your time. Guys, stay tuned because we're going to have a lot more coming at you.